Today we will talk about a magical flower that blooms only for one night and its flower emerges from its leaves. A flower which is worshipped in southern India when it blooms. Do you know its name? If not, then stick to the video to know all about it.
Welcome back friends, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening.
This beautiful flower is cactus orchid, commonly known as Brahmakamal in southern India. Its scientific name is Epiphyllum oxypetalum and it belongs to the cactus family. The flower blooms only at night and gets closed by the morning, and more interestingly, they bloom only for one night. So if you miss watching its flower, you need to wait for other bud to bloom. Its flower buds grow from its leaves and it takes couple of days to mature and bloom. The flower looks so delicate and the flower size is quite big, as you can see, and they have very different type of fragrance. This is considered as a sacred flower in southern India and it's worshipped when it blooms at night. It is believed to bring good luck and prosperity, and it's considered auspicious if it blooms at your home and you get to see the flower. If we talk about its flowering season, it blooms from summer till late monsoon, which is from May till October. So these are a couple of years old plant that I grew from cuttings, and if you take cuttings from already blooming plant, then they'll start flowering by the next year itself. And it can be very easily grown by stem and leaf cutting both. They do bloom in full sun to partial shade both, ideal for growing in pots, for balconies. Just remember to water them moderately, do not overwater as it belongs to the cactus family. So that's all for this gorgeous flowering plant. Get a cutting and grow them in your garden. I have shared few online buying links also in case you don't get its cutting anywhere. And believe me, it's very easy to grow. They don't require much attention or care, just moderate watering and sufficient sunlight.
Well, that's all for today friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video and please stay connected for many more interesting videos coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.